Hi, in this video we're going to show you how you could run Linux commands on your Windows computer using the Linux subsystem for Windows. So there's a couple things you need to configure before you could actually use this. So the first thing you need to do is go into your Windows settings, then under Update and Security, then for Windows 11 I think it's Privacy and Security maybe, and then you want to find the Developer section and make sure Developer mode is turned on. And then once you have that, you want to go into Control Panel, to your Programs and Features, then turn Windows features on or off. Then you want to make sure you have the Hypervisor Platform and Windows Subsystem for Linux checked, and click OK. Then it'll do an installation and you'll have to reboot, and then you'll be back in Windows. And then once you're there, you want to open the Microsoft Store. And then from there, you could search for Ubuntu or Linux app or Linux. So we'll just do Linux app. Okay, so once you're here, you want to look for Ubuntu, not this one here. You want to look for the one that says Ubuntu LTS. This number will probably change depending on when you're watching this video if it's updated. So you want to click on that, install. It's a pretty big download, 500 megabytes I believe. Okay, so we open that up. Okay, so now you need to create a Unix user account to use with this. So just put your name in there. I'll just do a password. Confirm it. Okay, so now it'll take you to your prompt here. So this actually creates a directory on your computer, which I have right here, WSL $. So if we put that, let's open a new window here. Okay, so let's actually just stick that in our box here. So now we have our Ubuntu network drive technically. It's got a little Linux icon. Open that up, you have all your typical Linux directories, boot, dev, home, and so on. So if you go back here and do a pwd, tell you I'm in home gym right now. So if I want to run a script, I have one right here. This is a VirtualBox script. So I'm in home gym, paste that in there, and let's say I wanted to run it. I would just do, let me just copy the name here so I don't have to type it. Just do a bash, paste it in there, and just like that. So this is going to be a long script to install a Mac OS virtual machine or VirtualBox, but it's actually missing a couple features here that I'd have to fix, so I just wanted to show you how it works. So that's pretty much all you have to do. So once again, just go to your settings, update and security, turn on developer mode, make sure you have your Hypervisor Platform. I'm not 100% sure you need that, but I'm pretty sure you do. And the Windows Subsystem for Linux. If you don't have it, it'll tell you to do it. And also, if you make sure you have virtualization in your BIOS turned on, otherwise it's not going to work. And of course, your processor has to support it as well. And then once you do that, just go to the Microsoft Store, look for this Ubuntu LTS, open it, create a user account, and then you could go to this directory here, and then you could find all your folders and take it from there. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.